November 13th. Kay Bailey Hutchison announces that she will not resign her Senate seat while campaigning for governor unless she is forcibly overthrown.
Who says so? Have I ordered?
November 19th. Senator Hutchison releases her first campaign ad called Fighter. November 23rd. Democratic candidate Tom Schiefer announces that he is dropping out of the governor's race. He throws his support to outgoing Houston Mayor Bill White, who is running for the vacant Senate seat. But that will change faster than you can say December 4th. December 4th. Former Senate candidate Bill White braves the Houston blizzard to announce to his supporters that he will indeed run for governor. Meanwhile, Kay runs her second campaign ad, Texas Tough. In a bizarre twist on kissing babies on the campaign trail, Mayor White begins to pinch babies until they cry. It's just crazy enough to work. December 6th. In an interview with the New York Times, Governor Rick Perry says that Sam Houston could have made a better president than Abraham Lincoln. In that same interview, Perry suggests that Texas was basically a zero-culture Dark Ages wasteland until he came along. To recap, the candidates are Rick Perry, Kay Bailey Hutchison, Bill White, and the others, which include Farouk Shami and Deborah Medina. Farouk has the best shot because he invented an award-winning line of hair straighteners. Frizzy-haired women all across Texas will support Farouk. We're excited to see what the new year brings. We'll see you in 2010.